how to buy BLCKMRKT. So this token came under the symbol of MRKT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see here, so this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 600% in less 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the base section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your Biscuit wallet for that. Now we'll just log into my wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, it's by select the base network from here, click on this plus icon, and here paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token as you can see here. So after you find it, just click on it and click on swap. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT or USDC, sorry, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and in a while you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MRKT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.